So I just blow up in my 1997 Lamborghini, and nobody wants to be with me. So I just stop to my friend's house. We are still both others. Then others say, "Yo, do I go in my Lambo?" And them did. So doodles in my Lamborghini. I like this. I like those. I know. You know what? I love those. I always have. I don't know what I was to do. I just started with doodles in my doll, and I loved it. And I don't know where I will go. I don't know where I will live. I don't know where I will work. I don't know where I will live. Will I know what place I will go to? Is my demon's house. And I always love my demo. We love those as friends. And I just want to be in my demo's life for rest of my fucking life. Yeah, I love my demo. I will always will. I love my demo. And I always will. Love me, I woke up. I know why I woke up in my Lamborghini. I don't have nobody to take somewhere. I go to my friend's house. They're both adults, and I don't know where I will be. Rest of my life, I don't want to live all by myself. I want to live with a friend. I don't know where I will be. I don't know where I will live. I hope you will like this song. Comment down below if you liked it, and subscribe.